Welcome back to my channel. This is Ruby and today I am going to create a BGA footprint. So I have just saved the data sheet here. This is the data sheet, okay? And so first start seeing data sheet and then I'll show you how to create BGA. This is one 15 mm PBGA outline drawing, okay? And this is 196 solder balls, and here is the bottom view. This is bottom view and this is top view, okay? In bottom view you just see pin numbering is A1, B, A1, A2, like this it will be A1, A2, A3, A4, simply like this will be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 up till A14. Simply here the B1, B2 like this, but it is in bottom view, but we need to create in top view. So do mistake, don't give pin numbering from here. You start from this section, top view. This should be the pin number. See pin 1, here you can see pin 1 corner. So this should be A1, A2, A3, A4 like this. So let's start. Here I have taken terminal already. I have already told you how to take. So this is terminal. I will delete this one. Terminal pin number 1. Now go to pad stack, and in this you see this terminal size is point or see here all dimensions are in millimeter. So you just see this is 0.4 is minimum, 0.6 is maximum. So you take 0.4 as 0.5 also you can take. So just take 0.5 or minimum you can take 0.4, but for soldering it is okay if you are taking 0.5 So zero point 0.5 means 20 mils, zero point 0.1 is 4 mils, so 0.5 means 20 mils. Here see you, this unit is in mils, okay? So show it is in SMD. So drill size first you make it to 0 and diameter is 40, okay? This is 40. Inner layer should be, this is not through hole, so inner layer we should not make, okay? 0, just make it 0. Add solder mask top, okay? This 6 mil extra we need to give. What happened? Okay, I'll create one second. Make it 0, 40, inner layer 0, opposite also 0. Add solder mask top, okay, 46. Add paste mask top, it should be same, you can make it 40. Okay, see why solder mask we are giving, because see that green layer what you are seeing on the board, no, that is solder mask. And if we are giving extra 6 mils for soldering purpose, that why if you see the angular ring of the board, when you are seeing this white color plated, silver plated will be there, that will because mask opening we are giving here. This solder mask top 40 mil is the this one pad, okay, and 6 mils we are giving for mask opening. Mask opening means that pad will that thing will be shouldered in that area. I will make one video, in that I will explain how to make, how why we are giving solder mask top, because I am getting 2-3 queries regarding this. So I am planning to make video for this, okay? So first we'll make it here. Just see the, go to properties 00, okay? This will be little bit lengthy video, need to uh, you need to see, watch carefully, okay? We are learning A1, This pin should be properties, pin number you make it here A1. Okay, this is pin numbering. Now go to data sheet. Okay, 1 second. This is data sheet. And what is pitch value? Pitch value is 1 mm. 1 mm is the pitch value. Okay, now how many pins are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Total 14 pins here, 14 pins here. Okay, so to step and repeat, I am not going to edit this video. I'm not going to edit this video. Okay, 40 mil is the distance, 1 mm is pitch, so 14 mil is the distance. Prefix will be A2 and one count. Okay, alt tab, go to pad stack. 40 mil is the distance. 40 46 40. Okay, A2 to this 40. Okay, I've done mistake. 0.4 mm, 20 mil should be diameter. Okay, 20 mil should be diameter. Solder mask top is 26. Because 0.5 mm I'm taking, no, 0.5 mm into 4 mils, 0.1 mm is 1 mil, so 0.5 into 4, it will be 20 mils. Okay, that I'm doing the mistake. Okay, 18. Okay, 2 mil less, or you can take same as the pad size for paste mask. Apply. Okay, this you need to delete it. Now you select terminal, go to step and repeat, write how many count? 14. Already done. 13 you make, because one already done. This is like how, see, A14, A1 to A14 it has come, and down also same 14 you need to make. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. It is B1 C1 like that. Okay, so now step and repeat, come down, make 1, prefix you make it here B, suffix 1. Okay, similarly step and repeat, come down 1, C, suffix 1. Okay, like that. Step and repeat, D, suffix 1. Okay, see, A B C D E F G H H J K L M N P. Okay, B C D E F G H D. Similarly select terminal, step and repeat D1 E1, not E1, prefix suffix 1. Step and repeat E1 F1. Okay, step and repeat G1. Step and repeat H1. Okay, H1. After that J K L M N P, I is not there. Step and repeat H, after H it is J 1. Okay, now J1 KLMNP. Step and repeat. K1. Okay, step and repeat. L1. Step and repeat. M1. LMNP. Step and repeat. N1. Step and repeat. P suffix 1. Okay, okay, now step and repeat. B2, here you make it 14. Why I have made one by one? Because no need to change the terminal name. Okay, so now B1, B2, B3 it will come. Count will be 13. Okay, control Z. What I mistake I did? Step and repeat. Need to go to right. Okay, step and repeat. Go to right. Step and repeat. Same do. Step and repeat. Okay, step and repeat. Step and repeat. Step and repeat. Nothing need to do, just one time you need to make, and then step and repeat you just do. Okay, same thing need to follow. Step and repeat. Step and repeat. Repeat. Step and repeat. MNP. Okay, now what is the size? 15 by 15. 15 by 15 you need to make it. Okay, and by seeing this only, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, by seeing this only we come to know that this is the origin. Okay, set up, set origin. So here origin is set. Okay, now take 2D line to rectangle. Just make a rectangle. Okay, select anything. Go to properties. Origin will be in center. Now what to do? Now change the limit to mm, because it will be easy to check the mention to metric. Apply. Okay, now you can see properties. Minus 7, because it is 15 mm. Okay, see in datasheet 15 by 15 it is, no, 15 by 15 mm only it is. Okay, 15 mm. So 15 divided by 2, what will be there? 7.5, right? 7.5. Sorry, 7.5. Here also 7.5 you make. Apply. Okay, select here. Go to properties. Same, minus 7.5. 7.5. Apply. Okay, to properties. 7.5. 7.5. Apply. Same, here you come. Go to properties. 7.5. 7.5. Apply. Okay, so this one, select shape. This should be in assembly line. This isn't, change it to assembly drawing top. Apply. Okay, now you make rectangle little bit wheels. extra you need to give here. Okay, for silk screen top. Okay, this is not in silk screen top layer. Select shape, go to properties. Here you just check silk screen top. Here you can change it. Apply. Okay, okay. Now for text, what you need to do? Add new label. Okay, revdes, uh, assembly drawing top. Okay, here it has come. Name, its name, and these properties. Revdes is in silk screen top. Apply. Okay, make it here. This type here, make it. Okay. Now you need to meter it. See in datasheet. In datasheet, see these three corners are metered here. This first pin should not be metered. These three corners are metered. Meter it. So add meter. 10 you give, then how much it is? Are you? It is coming so much. Okay. Go to properties. Undo. To add meter 1, that also it is coming too much. Undo properties 0 point, okay, not properties, add meter 0.5. Okay, this also. This one also add meter 0.5. Okay, this also change it, add meter 0.5, add meter 0.5. Okay, add meter 0.5. Okay, similarly you make it 0.5. Okay, sorry for the background noise, my son is watching mobile. So this is the way how you you can create BGA footprint. Okay, so hope this video will be useful for you all. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my video. And I'm planning to make video on interview questions, PCB design, related to PCB design. So if you want me to create any other video, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. This one you save it. I have already told in previous, save decals as in your library folder. This one you can save it. Okay, so this so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.